Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Honda Civic in neutral without power. This is essential if your car has a dead battery or won't start. First, you need to locate the small shift lock release slot near your gear shifter. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a similar tool to access it. Once you find the slot, gently insert the tool and press the release. This action will allow you to bypass the normal shifting mechanism. Finding the shift lock release is the first critical step. In most Honda Civic models, this slot is located very close to the gear shifter itself, often just in front or to the side of it. It might be concealed by a small, removable plastic cap or a panel that blends in with the console. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool to carefully pry off this cover, revealing the access point for the shift lock mechanism. Once you have exposed the shift lock release, the next step is to engage neutral. Ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal to prevent any unexpected movement of the vehicle. Insert your flathead screwdriver or key into the slot and press down or in, depending on your specific model, to activate the release button. While holding the release button, move the gear shifter from park to the neutral position. After successfully putting your Civic in neutral, remember to prioritize safety. Always engage the parking brake immediately, especially if you are on an incline, to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Make sure the car is on a level surface before attempting to push or tow it. If you found this video helpful, please check the description below for more useful tips and to find great deals on smart speakers and other accessories. Thanks for watching and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.